Alright, welcome back to another video. Going to Hungry Jack's to get spicy chicken ribs. Sounds interesting. Alright, here we go.
Hey Gun, what can I get for you, James?
Yeah, the 5-piece spicy chicken ribs.
Yeah?
That's it.
No worries. Anything else? No, sorry. Drive on through.
Thank you. Chicken ribs. Never heard that one before. Anyway, I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be interesting.
It gets till about 3, like, if it's like 3:15, like 3:20, like rather than 1. And if,
They must be out catching the chickens.
yeah, it's only if you get to 3:20 and then it keeps going up.
Wow. I can actually hear something sizzling away. Smells like bacon to me.
Just the 5 ribs.
That's right.
Alright, that one is $9.95 just on card.
Just on card, yeah. Can I get a receipt too, please? Great, thank you. Lovely. Oh, here we go. Looking forward to it. Oh, smells good too. Anyway, let's go find a park. Tuck in and give this a go. All right. Hungry Jack's 5-piece spicy fried chicken ribs. Gee, the smells. These must be spicy. Ooh. What? Look at that. That's a fairly good size. Just looks like a chicken wing. Anyway, here goes. Ooh, hot. Excuse the glasses. Look at the steam coming off that thing. Looks good too. No bone yet. I've eaten halfway through it. Oop, there's the bone. I like the spicy coating on it. So it's like a big flat bone. Now, I'll eat a bit more and show you again. I like that. It's good. Plenty of meat on it. So it was $9.95 for 5 of them. $2 each. And I like it. Ooh, bit spicy. See how flat that bone is? And it's got the part that obviously connects to the spine. I'm pretty impressed with that. I like it. You've done pretty good with this one, Hungry Jacks. Yum. Oh, it's hot too. It's hot. Temperature and coating. Yeah, I've never come across that before. The chicken rib. That's a new one for me. I like it. It's good. There's plenty of meat. You know, like, you look at that compared to the bone. And that's pretty good. Get more meat on that than the chicken wing. And I reckon I've had enough of that to give it a rating out of 10. Value wise, $10. You pretty much pay $2 for a chicken strip at your local takeaway place anyway. Sweet chili or just plain. So these are $2 each as well. It's chicken strips you get in a takeaway don't have a bone in them, and they're usually a lot longer. Anyway, there's bone in chicken. It's pretty good. Taste wise, yeah, it's got some kick with some nice spice. I was lucky I got a nice warm batch. I reckon, yeah, give this a go if you haven't tried it yet. Definitely get in and have a taste of it. My rating out of 10, I'll give these definitely 8.5. Definitely well worth it. Alright, thanks again for joining me. and see you again on the next one. Bye.